today's I am talking about Pifizer stocks. Here you can see the stocks price which is $26 and these stocks make today return which is 2% return. Here you can see how much return these stocks make for investor in the last 5 days which is a 6% return. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see these stocks make how much return in the last 1 month, how much return in the last 6 months, okay, and last 1 year how much return these stocks, okay. Now the last 5 years return which is 40% negative in these stocks make for investors which is very poor return. But if you see the whole journey return, you can see these stocks make approximately 900% return, okay. So here you can see this stocks market valuation $15,000, okay, $15,000 US dollar share. So what you think about these stocks, please comment below, okay. Market valuation always includes, so always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.